I came across the Motley and Myrtle challenge and it sounded like a lot of fun, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Basically, the rules are you pick 5 words at random. I'm gonna use a random word generator. You write down the words, put them in a jar, and pick one at random. Then you have 1 minute to gather supplies and 10 minutes to do a build. Should be fun if nothing else. Entering the arena are feather, hippo, whale, stairs, and blocks. Please be blocks. Oh, blocks. I know I can do you in 10 minutes. And I got whale. See that? I'm going to be as safe as possible. You should as well, especially if using power tools. And I'm not going to put you through the whole 10 minutes. I'm going to do this in time lapse, but I will have a timer on my bench that you can watch as I do my work. All right, well, that was fun. It's a little janky, but it's a whale, right? I mean, I got the pocket in the back drilled for the bottle opener, but it's pretty hard to open bottles without the actual metal part. So, anyways, thanks for a fun challenge, guys.